welcome back to my channel. Happy Easter vlog. Happy April. I can't believe like we're in April vlogs. It's so crazy and spring is here. I just look outside. Look how nice that is. It just makes you so happy. It definitely feels like spring, and I am one for spring now because my second born was born in spring. So I honestly can't believe he's one. He's literally one this month, and it's just come round so quick. I remember being in the hospital waiting for him to come, and yeah, he's one and he's my second born. Like, it's crazy. So obviously his birthday falls around Easter, so I decided to do the theme of his birthday is Some Bunny is One. And I thought that was like, that really fits the theme. He's one, it's Easter, why not? So I'm just going to show you some bits that I've picked up. It's literally his birthday in 2 days. So I've picked some bits up, some from like normal shops, Home Bargains, B&M, some are from Temu. Just to add, I'm doing his cake myself. Literally, well, I'll say myself. I bought it from Tesco and then I'm going to decorate it myself. And then I bought some bits to hang up and stuff. So I'm just going to go through them all now. So I've got these like Peter Rabbit cutouts, which I think are so cute, and they come with a little stand. I just think they go with the theme really well. I got them off Temu, so they're obviously going to be somewhere when he wakes up in the morning. I've got this little card, got this from Home Bargains. I couldn't find like your one, or birthday boy one, so I just picked this one up. I like to have a really nice card for the first birthday because I feel like it's really sentimental. You know, they've made it all the way to one, we've survived. So I like to keep the card and write them like a big paragraph in there of just like how much I appreciate them, how like wonderful the first years have gone, and then they'll keep it in their keepsake box for them to read when they're older. I got in this birthday badge. Arthur had this for his first birthday as well. I also got him these bunny ears. How cute are they? I can't wait to see him with them on. And his little like bunny cardboard cut out, so cute. And then for the back, I got this massive, and I mean massive, like I can't even get it out to show you. I'll just show you. It's basically got Peter Rabbit on it. I don't think you can see. I need to iron it, to be honest. I don't know whether to get it out. And can you see it a bit better there? It's got Peter Rabbit on it, and it just says Some Bunny is One, and then it says Noah at the bottom. Happy birthday. So I might keep that out and fold it up nice so it's not creased, but I will iron that maybe tomorrow. And then I've got another one which I don't know if I'm going to put up. It's just the same as that, but it's just got 2 Peter Rabbits on it. I don't know if I'm going to use that one. I didn't expect it to be so big when it arrived, and I was like, wow, maybe I should have got a smaller size. So they're the decorations, and then I've also got a number 1 balloon for him. So yeah, I got that today. Nearly got blew over because it's so windy out there, and I was like, I'm gonna get blown over. And then with the cake, I bought the cake from Tesco. It's just a white chocolate cake, and then I'm gonna decorate it myself. So I've bought these off Temu. They're just like little Peter Rabbits, little bunnies, little eggs. And then I've got these little bunnies to go on top. Then I've got some eggs to decorate it with. And then I've got a number 1 glittery candle for him. And then these little cute icing pieces. It's got like carrots, bunnies, chicks. Yeah, I'm really excited. I don't know. I'm more excited than anyone. It's not even my birthday, but it's a big milestone, isn't it, when like your child reaches 1. It's very emotional as well. I feel more emotional, I think, with Noah. I think it's because I appreciate that time goes, it's just a thief. It goes so quick when you have kids. So what I'm going to do today is, his birthday's in 2 days, so I need to like get a shift on with like things, because today the boys aren't here, so I don't get a chance ever to do anything when the boys aren't here. So I just thought, do you know what, today I'm going to decorate the cake and put it in the fridge, because it'll be fine in the fridge for like 48 hours, hopefully. I hope you enjoy this April vlog, and let's jump into the video.
Wondering why I've incorporated a treadmill into our Easter vlog is because I've got some really exciting news. So if you've been following me, you'll know that I am a keen runner, but I am a mum of two, and combining the two, finding the time is just, it's a lot of hard work. I signed up to the gym in January. I've committed myself to a summer 10k run with all the intentions of going to the gym, you know, 3-4 times a week on the treadmill, and I think I went twice and then that was it. I'll be honest, I just really struggled with having 2 kids and finding the time and the energy. I'm just so tired, and because I've got 2 little ones, it's very hard to find a childminder because not many people will mind them because they're together. I've been on 2 outside runs in the past 2 weeks, and I've had to do that when the kids are in bed because it's just difficult to run and have kids and be a mum. And then it was almost like fate struck a couple of weeks ago. I can't believe these words coming out my mouth, but Yesoul Fitness got in touch with me and asked if I wanted to collab on a video and collab with the treadmil T3S Plus. And I was just like, me? You sure me? Like me? You know me, if you follow me, I will tell you if something's crap, I will tell you if something's not worth the money. But up to now, I'm really happy with it. The only down thing is, it was quite tricky to assemble. You do need 2 people, and it did take a good 2 hours, I'd say, to assemble. But other than that, right now, I'm made up with it. Sam's made up with it. Sam was on it this morning before me. As I was getting Noah down for a nap, Sam had a little go on it. And then I come down and obviously just showing you that I've had a go on it. So I'm just going to talk you through it and explain what it is, what it does. Obviously you've seen some of it already. I ran a bit this morning that you would have seen on the video. My plan was to do about 2 kilometres. I only got to 1.4, but
I'm not actually in the swing of running yet, so I don't know how I'm going to do a 10k in a couple of months, but this baby's going to help me now. Anyway, so this is the T3S Plus treadmill. Everything is in the description box below. I'll link everything down below. And this treadmill is honestly amazing. So obviously it folds up like this, so you've got more space in the home. This folds up literally, it's about that big. So I'm going to put mine in the corner. For the purpose of this video, I'm just putting it here. And then it's got a little kickback there. Look at that. How cool is that? It goes down like that. You don't even need to touch it. You just give it a little kick and it goes straight down. Then what I like about this treadmill, it goes 10% incline, which you would have just seen on the video. So I do a bit of a run, and then to cool down, I'll go on a little bit of an incline. What's great about this is, right now I'm like full of life and I literally could go for a run. If I didn't have this, my kids are upstairs asleep, I've got the baby monitor. Now I can run, and the kids, I put the baby monitor on the resting side there, and I'm good to go, which makes me so happy, because I can do this probably, I'm not going to say every day, because, you know, I'm a mum, I'm tired, but I can do this probably once, twice a week and build it up from there, and then eventually get to 10k. So this is the standard screen, what it has. Pace and how fast you're going. It has the percentage of the incline. It has how long you're going in kilometres, and then how many calories you've burned. So that's what we have on our basic gym monitors, but this one comes with a little wire, and it does screen mirroring. How cool is that? You can go on YouTube. YouTube completely works. I'll show you there. Netflix works. I'll just go on Netflix. There's Netflix. Also, Yesoul has an app. You can actually run around the world. Isn't that cool? Yesoul Fitness have been so kind and give me a discount code for all you guys. It's in the description box below, but it's 100 KT, and that will get you money off. And I just want to say thank you so much to Yesoul for partnering with me for this video. All I can say is watch this space. 2 kids ain't gonna stop me now. Just wanted to pop that into the middle of the vlog so you all don't miss out. And now let's just get back to the vlog. I've just got home from work and my mum's on her way home with the boys, so before they arrive I just want to show you what Noah got for his birthday, because the clothes are so cute. Literally he's just spoilt rotten off all his family. Oh, and I forgot some Easter presents as well, but I'll just show you everything basically. So my no got this little cute set off my brother and his partner, and it's like a towelled effect. That's from Sainsbury's. Isn't that good? There's not a Sainsbury's where I live. Apparently it's really good with clothes, like Sainsbury's, Marks and Spencer's, that's really good as well. I don't know how much these was, because obviously they took the prices off. They got him that one. They got him this little cute set. It says Ocean Child, and then it's got like little linen striped pants. These are only 12 to 18 months. And then they also got him this little cute jumper pack, which I think is just adorable. Aren't they cute? And it says one of a kind, so they're cute. Then Sam's mum and dad got him this little Batman top, which Arthur, this is from Primark, it's dead cute. Arthur actually has this in blue. Got him a couple of years ago. They got the boys like near on, even though Noah's 1 and Arthur's 2.5 nearly, they're like near on the same size, so I have to like look. Normally you could tell like the different sizes, like obviously that's really small, that's Noah's, that's really big, that's Arthur's, but they're near on like the same now, because Noah's a big Mitchelly man. This is Noah's as well, what Sam's mum and dad got, just with little footballs on. Love these little tops as well from Primark, because they're literally about £2.50 each, and I just think they're really good to just throw on. Also another one here, just another striped one from Primark. I think that is also Noah's. I'll have to start putting them into piles. They got him some joggers as well, just some plain black ones for autumn this year, and just some little combat pants. Aren't they cute? Then they also got this little striped top. It looks like a little sailor top. Isn't that cute? And then this little set which goes together, just the little blue shorts which I can just throw on. And that little dino top. You can't beat Primark for like good little little sets. And then this top, story behind this. So at Arthur's first Christmas, he wore a blue version of this top, and I've still got it. I washed it and I put it in his memory box, and I'm sure. And then I think I gave it to Noah, and then Noah wore it. So it's in the memory box of one of theirs because they both had it on. And then it was actually Sam's mum who bought that. And then she actually found the white version. So, and it's just got little, look at that. It's got little dash hounds on it, little dogs. How cute is that? That is so cute. I can't wait to see him in that. I'll probably put him in that when we go on holiday. But yeah, that's another one that I'll keep. And then look at this. Look at that. Isn't that cute? It's like a little lumberjack jacket. That'll look nice as well, like unbuttoned with a white shirt, just open. That's for my little no-no. And then they also got him just some nice formal chinos, just in case we ever need them. So they also got him this little hoodie, which he hasn't got many hoodies actually. I think the ones that Arthur had, I've threw out because they've just worn down. So yeah, that's a new hoodie for him. That one's cute. Then they got, this is for Arthur, which I think is really, really cute. This was for Arthur's Easter present off the Nan and Grandad. Just a little set with dinosaurs on. I think that was like a denim jacket. It's just really, really nice. So that's Arthur's first little thing. And then they got also some more joggers. What I like about Sam's mum and dad, they don't just get like current clothes. They think into the future. Well, at least mum does. Thinks into the future. So these are like all awesome stuff for Noah, which is brilliant. Oh, just another little t-shirt from Primark with a little truck on. That's cute. I bought Noah these, but he's already wore the top. I got him a little set for his birthday. They're the little pants, just a little striped genie pants. Aren't they cute? They're off Mum. Then Arthur got this little jacket off his Nan and Grandad. Isn't that cute and lovely and smart? That'll be nice unbuttoned with some jeans. I don't know if we go to the farm or lovely day out. That's also from Primark. And then Arthur got this little top. Actually, it'd go nice with that top. That little top that's like a wool material. So that is everything they got for, oh, and then Noah's at that age now where he's nearly walking but not quite, so we got him these little shoes. How cute are they? But his feet are fat, so I have to make sure he's wearing thin socks because they won't fit when he's got the woolly socks on. But aren't they cute? They got a little bunny patch book as well, which I think is really cute. But that is it, I think, for the Easter vlogs. I'm gonna be really quick because this camera is on 5% and it's flashing to say wrap it up, Katie. I'm gonna go and get a shower now, take my scrubs off, and you know what I'm gonna say next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week.